Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute little penguin. Later in the show, Bunny Fluffington sings a song. And keep watching to the end because Louie reads some of his poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
So I got pencils.
Artie.
Marker pens.
Artie.
Over there. I'll go get my paper. And...
Artie.
Oh, hello. Artie didn't see you. Welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie, and we're going to do a drawing. Yeah.
Awesome.
Hello, I'm Betty Brush.
And I'm Mikey Marker.
Welcome to Artie's show.
Are you ready to draw a cute penguin, Artie?
Oh, Artie was born ready.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
come on.
Let's hop to it.
Let's begin by drawing our penguin's left eye. We're going to draw a little circle on the left side of the page. That's it, Artie. Now let's draw a smaller circle inside. Now let's shade in the outside area black. Wow, it looks like one of your eyes, Artie.
Yeah.
I never knew you had penguin eyes. Now shade in that whole area outside the small circle nice and black. Try not to go over the lines. Take your time. That's it, Artie. That looks great. Now, let's draw the right eye. Another circle on the right side. If Artie's drawing too quick, here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thank you, Barry. That was very helpful. Okay, Artie, let's finish the right eye. That's it. Draw a smaller circle inside, and then remember to shade the outside area completely black. Very good work, Artie. Artie, look, it's Bunny Fluffington.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Artie,
Yeah?
did I ever tell you that I love your art?
Oh, no.
It's so inspiring and creative. I just love it.
Well, thank you.
Okay, well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
I think she likes you, Artie.
No.
Anyway, let's give our penguin a nice oval-shaped nose right between the eyes. That's it, Artie.
Oh, let's have a song break.
A song break already?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Yeah. Okay. Song break. Yeah.
Bubble bath, call my name. Every morning up with the sun. Bubble bath, you know I love to blow some big ones. And Mama thinks it's fun. scrub my arms. Ooh, my ears and my nose and my face and my hands and my knees. Ooh, you, 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 you. Bubble bath, call my name. Every morning up with the sun. Oh, bubble bath, bubble bath. Come on, everyone, jump in one by one. It's so much fun. Ooh. Are you ready for rubber duck? Oh, hands up, here comes Rubber Duck. Say, did you know I named him twice? 1, 2, Milton, or Dylan or Hilton. Now up he goes, riding on my boat. Scrub my feet. Ooh, you, 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 you.
Wow.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was a really good song break.
It really was. Bunny did so well.
Yeah.
She has a nice voice.
Oh.
Okay, let's carry on with the drawing.
Yeah, okay.
Now let's add our penguin's head. We're going to draw a really big circle around the eyes and nose, all the way across and to the right side. Don't try and draw it in one go, it'll be too difficult. Draw it in sections. That's it, Artie. A couple more sections. That's right, keep coming round. Okay, have a little break there. And then another little piece on the right side, like his right cheek. Coming up, Louie's going to read us some of his poetry. It's really good. Now let's add the penguin's body. We'll draw a curved line on the left and another curved line on the right side. That's it, Artie, coming all the way down. Now let's give him a left foot. We'll draw a small oval shape just at the end of the curved line. Very good. Oh, here comes Barry.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. It's hitting all the right chords. Oh, oh, oh. Bye.
Thank you, Barry. That dog has quite a voice.
Yeah.
That's it, Artie. Let's add the right foot. Very good. And now a curved line across the bottom, connecting the 2 feet together. I think it's time for some poetry.
Well, yes, but she's lying about her age, you know. I mean, oh, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely poem about Barry Tone. Here we go. Barry Tone, a dog of blue, sings every song with a voice so true. In his tuxedo, sharp and bright, he croons from morning until the night. Opera, jazz, or a melody sweet, Barry's songs are a special treat. Oh, they certainly are. With a mic in paw, he steals the stage. Barry Tone's music will never age. Oh, marvellous, darling, marvellous.
Oh, that was very nice, Louis. Thank you. Okay, Artie, let's finish the penguin. Let's draw his left hand, or flipper. That's it. Go all the way around the top of the face, following that curved shape. Now come down between the eyes, and let's make a sort of heart shape. Then go back up.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Now come all the way back down, following the shape of the head. And then let's add the right hand or flipper. Oh, he's looking really cute, Artie, and he's not even coloured in yet.
I'm finished. Ooh.
You're finished already? Oh, it looks good.
Yeah.
Should we colour in?
Yeah, let's colour it in.
It's coloring time!
What wonderful work, Artie. He looks so good coloured in.
Oh, yeah, the colours look so nice.
I love the black and yellow.
Yeah,
Good job.
Artie's very proud.
Oh, good.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day!
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Thank you for watching. I hope you have an Artie day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye.